Duit YouTube, constatatu. Just wanted to give you a chairde update. I just got my sponsorship pack in the mail yesterday, so figured I might as well share it with you. Got a new poster, which is monks versus punks, which is the new theme for this year. Poster's really nice. A few more bits and pieces, sponsorship cards, another poster for if I do an event or something like that, and then a thank you letter for participating. So, oh, and the t-shirt, of course. Don't know if you can see it. No? Maybe. So yeah, now I have my stuff. Now I can really get started. Again, a link to my charity space is going to be down below, so you can donate to me there, or you can give me a cash donation and I'll put it onto one of the sponsorship cards. The big thing I wanted to ask you is, do you have an idea for an event? You know, how am I going to make it worth your while, make it worth my while, you giving me your money? So, I don't know, maybe something like a climathon, or, I don't know, sponsored run or something maybe. I don't know. It's up to you guys. So, again, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. You know, just leave me a comment or come up to me and suggest something if you like. Other than that, I think everything is going pretty well. I'm looking forward to doing it this year. I'm signed up. That's the reason I have monks stuff, is that I've signed up to shave my head. Well, I might say shave part of my head, but depends how much money I raise. The more I raise, the more I'll cut off. That's a little incentive for you. Anyway, míle agat, agus slán.